scary. Wasn't supposed to be like this today. It was supposed to not rain, no snow. We got snow this morning. It's cold, wet. Alright, so let me show you where we're going with the shed. I've talked about it before, but if you're new to our channel, here's what we're doing. We're moving the shed from there.
It's off the ground.
Got to go down here, down the hill, and then it's going right next to where the portable garage is down there.
Go ahead and flatten out. Let's see what it looks like.
It's still kind of, especially as we get going, and we're going down the hill. I'm going to have to know that port angle.
Looks like it's on your metal on your side now.
Good?
Looks like we're okay now.
Okay, I'm going to go up. I got enough of it.
Yeah.
You guys ready?
Okay, keep an eye on the corners. Make sure it's not bending. Okay.
Pop, that's going to hurt like a...
Beach. Push it. If that locks, that'll rip you in half.
Drop down till back, that'll put the weight forward. Those straps are scary.
Oh my god, guys, this is kind of scary.
Drop it down?
Well, actually, we got a log, so we're going to end up raising it.
Okay.
And then we'll put another log under here. You want him to go up a little, Sam? Holy crap. No, he's okay. Do that.
Yeah, we only got, I think, 2 more logs left.
Yeah, he's going to be alright. He's going to be close to that tree in a minute, though. Oh, yeah. Who's in there?
My wife.
Oh my gosh. Definitely a little nerve-wracking. They seem to know what they're doing though.
The only problem we're going to have is this hillside right here.
I see that.
Maybe I should tackle that with something here.
Well, if you want to put your skid steer in there, you can pick it up and push it over this way.
That's very true too. Yeah, I could.
Yeah, you'll be able to get right next to the skids.
Yeah, let's see what we can do.
That's the worst part right there. Once we get down off that hill, then they get the challenge of turning it around and putting it into place.
The way that hill works is the way that hill works.
You're okay, you're okay. It's gonna tilt, don't freak out. Here we go.
doing that. There you go. Reeker, get in there and help him. There you go. Awesome. God, that's crazy.
Okay, coming down. Hey Sam, I want to get my forks in first.
Okay, come on, Steve, don't move.
Okay.
Stop. There you go, thank you. Perfect. Come on, come on, come on. Stop, leave it. Touching that wall at the corner, just enough.
Alright, so there it is in its new home. It actually looks really nice in that area, like it belongs. Stuart's in the process of putting it up on its blocks. He's almost got them all done. He started this yesterday, and I think he's going to try to work on it some more when he gets home from work. But he's got the back done, and he's working on the sides. He still has to do the front. But he's using those leveling blocks that you can get from Home Depot that has the, I don't know what they're called. Let me show you. Okay, there you go. So he's using these blocks, and I don't know what this is called here, but you can level it, which is actually really awesome. So he's doing the, around the perimeter, the hard part's going to be, the hard part's going to be underneath in the middle. There you go. We got the shed moved down. That's huge. Very happy about that. So Stuart will finish up with the blocks and getting it leveled. He wants to paint the floor to make it a little bit easier to sweep and keep clean. And then we've got to load everything back up into it, get everything organized. And then we still have a few things left over to buckle up before winter, because it's here. This is the face of it. Yeah. We have a few more things to do still. So, that's it. I hope you guys liked the video. Please don't forget to like and subscribe and let us know what you think of our videos and what we're doing, what we have planned. Comment. And we'll see you on the next one. You guys have a good night. Bye.